Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix tracking let on Instagram. So guys, if you're trying to do something on Instagram, like you are going to like someone post or you are going to write a comment on Instagram and it's showing the error restrict certain activity to protect our community, then it means you have violated the community guidelines of Instagram. That's why you are unable to do anything for 24 hours. So guys, if you want to fix this issue guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are using updated app, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings. So here is the unique fix for you guys, because they have given the time that you cannot do anything on Instagram for 1 day. Okay guys, so here is the simple fix for you. Just simply you have to go to system. From here you have to go to date and time, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn off auto time set. Now from here guys, just simply you have to go to date section. Now from here guys, just simply select the date. So from here you have to select 1 day ahead from current date. Just simply tap on that. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go through Instagram and you can easily fix that issue. Okay guys, because they have restricted you for 1 day, so because you have selected your date 1 day ahead, that's why you can easily fix this issue. Okay guys, so that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.